Can BTC and ETH hit new highs after breaking out of tight ranges? Bitcoin price and Ethereum forecast. Investors are unsure as to whether Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two most popular cryptocurrencies, can break out and hit new highs after being trapped in tight ranges for some time. Despite the recent volatility, a number of optimistic indications indicate that BTC and ETH may be preparing for a large surge. Let's look at the key cryptocurrency market fundamentals that can be influencing the overall price movement. Bitcoin and crypto markets analysis by a crypto veteran. What has changed and what to expect? A well-known cryptocurrency trader who has been negative on Bitcoin throughout its 2023 rise has spoken out after 2 weeks of silence. The trader, who went by the alias Capo, left the market when the price of Bitcoin fell to $40,000 in April 2022. He has maintained his opinion that BTC will hit a fresh low of $2,000 to signal the end of the bear market ever since. Capo acknowledges that the recent increase in Bitcoin's price is a strong bear market rebound, but he confesses that he was surprised by the magnitude of the advance. According to Capo, the recent bull run in Bitcoin is actually a bear market rally that has been artificially inflated with BUSD and USDC. He maintains that this is still the biggest bull trap in history and that bearish analysis is still true. Capo predicts that Bitcoin will drop to a new low of $12,000. While he acknowledges that he didn't anticipate this bounce, he congratulates individuals who were able to profit from it, especially as several cryptocurrencies experienced larger rallies than anticipated because of the AL story. Fines for Coinbase. Dutch bank raises more than $3 million. Leading American Bitcoin exchange Coinbase has been fined more than $3 million by Dutch bank De Nederlandsche Bank, DNB. The DNB claims that Coinbase has been operating illegally since November 2020. Despite following the registration procedures in September 2022, Coinbase did not pay the supervision fees for the 2 years before to registration. Any business that offers Bitcoin services in the Netherlands is required by law to register with the DNB in accordance with the Anti-Money Laundering and Anti-Terrorist Financing Act. Coinbase, however, is contesting the fine and argues that the time frame in question was the length of time it took for the business to register in the Netherlands and that it has complied with the law. As regulators throughout the world tighten their control over cryptocurrency exchanges with a focus on enhancing security and preventing money laundering, this fine comes into effect. One of the highest regulatory fines ever issued on a cryptocurrency exchange was assessed on Coinbase. When whales hoard more than 80% of the supply, Ethereum tests a 5-month high. Sentiment's recent statistics showed that significant holders of ETH, such as whale and shark addresses, kept hanging on to their holdings. The graph showed that the addresses in possession of between 100,000 and 200,000 ETH still held close to 47% of the total supply of ETH. In addition, the absence of a sell-off following the most recent price increase suggested that investors anticipated further price increases in the future. Also, it appears from a study of the supply owned by the biggest addresses that these addresses have been acquiring Ethereum. The graph showing the amount held by the largest addresses as a share of Ethereum's total supply was moving upward for the majority of January. While it has now steadied, as of this writing, it was still at 123. Bitcoin cost. Bitcoin currently costs $24,756 and has $18.7 billion 24-hour trading volume. Less than 0.50% more has been paid for Bitcoin in the last day. According to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin, the first-placed cryptocurrency, has a live market valuation of $477 billion. It has a maximum supply of 21 million BTC coins and a circulating supply of 19,295,475 BTC coins. The BTC-USD pair maintained a small range between $24,400 and $25,250 on Sunday as it traded sideways. The Bitcoin price may be exposed to a bullish breakout of the $25,250 barrier, exposing it to $26,000 or $26,450. The immediate support for Bitcoin is at $24,300, and a breach below this level could drive the price of BTC as low as $23,750 or $23,300. A further breach of the $23,300 barrier would push Bitcoin farther lower, towards the $22,850 level. The RSI and MACD indicators both show investor irrationality, and the overall trading bias is neutral. Investor uncertainty is also indicated by the doji and spinning top candles' 4-hour candlestick closing patterns. For purchasing possibilities, it is advised to keep a watch on the $24,300 level, and vice versa. Ethereum cost. The price of Ethereum is currently $1,701 with a $5.3 billion 24-hour trading volume. Ethereum has risen more than 0.10% in the last day. It is currently ranked number 2 on CoinMarketCap with a market cap of $208 billion. The ETH/USD pair is trading sideways during the Asian session and is staying within a constrained range of $1,670 to $1,720. Whether or not this range is broken will determine the trend for Ethereum. Ethereum has created an upward channel on the 4-hour time frame, which is supporting the ETH price close to the $1,650 mark. The following resistance levels of $1,740 and $1,825 could be reached by ETH if buying pressure increases, which would let it to cross the $1,720 threshold. On the other side, a breach below $1,675 might widen the downturn and push prices into $1,635 or $1,600.